Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Your boy Monty's here with another video. You guys, I got homemade fries. My mother-in-law made some homemade fries, and I'm having chili dogs with it. You guys, look at this. There's the homemade fries. Chili cheese dogs. Sheila made the chili cheese dogs. Oh my god, they look so delicious. I'm so hungry. Let me get this ready here. Get some ketchup on these babies. Oh shit. Hell, you guys, and I got my blue cheese too. Blue cheese! You know I gotta have blue cheese. Alright, let me dip this. I got blue cheese, you guys. Do the Monty's dance. Okay.
Don't spray by the food.
So, hold on. Let me talk about. I want to talk to you guys about a couple of things, but look at this. Check that out, you guys. I like when the bread's falling apart. Oh my god. You don't need winter schnitzel. I need another bite. Okay, so you guys, I'm excited. Sheila is going to she's going to be doing a mukbang with me on Thursday. I'm not going to tell you what we're going to be doing, but stay tuned. It'll be our second mukbang. So what you guys do for St. Patrick's Day? Let me know, y'all. I didn't do anything because I was working, so. But we kind of just did something the day before. It was like all good. It's still steaming too. The cheese. Help me, please.
How's the fries?
The fries are bomb. Told you guys my mother-in-law made them. They're really good. Homemade. Sheila said hi to y'all.
Hey.
She's just doing something right now. But she always does this stuff. Oh my god, these are so good. Put just enough right cheese in it too. Got a lot of fries here.
Can you eat all of them?
Probably.
You gotta stuff like 3 in your mouth at a time.
3 at a time. Let's see. Do 4 at a time. How about 5 at a time?
It's a challenge.
5?
Try to eat all of
5?
them.
That's not a challenge. 5 fries?
No, to eat all of those fries.
Oh, it's a challenge to eat all those fries? Oh, I'm already almost done.
No, you're not.
It's not good if it's not messy, right, guys?
Messy is always best.
Yep. Look at that, baby.
Delicious.
That was good. What kind of hot dogs are those good?
We always use the chicken Foster Farms. It's always the best.
Alabama.
We don't like mixed meats. Has to be either beef or chicken.
Yeah. You guys, Dip your fries in ranch too, or I use blue cheese. Man, these chili dogs are off the hook. I could probably eat 3 of those. I know the fries. I don't know why, but it seems like the blue cheese ain't going good with these fries.
Just use ketchup.
Yeah, I got ketchup on them. That's enough. So there's something else I want to talk to you about. Oh. I want to know if you guys like ran into like I mean if you guys have that problem about having spirits in your home or what do you do to get rid of it? But we use, I'm not saying our house is haunted, but there's been, you know, times where weird things have happened, so we just use sage. Sage is really good for cleansing. So sage is from native, right?
Anyone will make it, but Native Americans use it a lot, and it's called smudging.
Yeah.
Smudge yourself in the house.
We got a big surprise on Thursday. We're gonna be mukbang. Sheila better be ready.
I'm gonna starve myself so I can get my grub on. You?
It's gonna be like a 15-minute video.
Maybe 20.
Maybe 20.
You're gonna see me stuff my face.
We're gonna have like this whole thing full of something.
The whole table's gonna be
The
filled.
whole table's gonna be full, you guys. We're gonna have all kinds of different stuff. Yeah, where'd my weenie go?
Ew. Your
Couldn't find it.
Ugh. What the hell?
Couldn't find my weenie, guys.
It was deep in the bun.
Mm-hmm.
Deep in the buns.
Mm-hmm.
In the crevices.
Deep in the crevices. Wait, what? Ew. No. Mm-hmm.
Food orgasm.
Mm-hmm. It's like an O in your mouth.
No, don't use that.
Oh yeah, that's nasty.
That's it.
Yeah, that's don't use that.
No, don't.
It's an orgasm in my mouth. Oh wait, we don't say that either.
It's a food orgasm.
Food orgasm.
Food porn.
Food porn. Oh, that sounds weird.
Dang, you're already almost done?
Mm-hmm. I told you I could finish.
Ooh, let's give him a hand, y'all.
Yay!
He almost ate the whole thing. He did eat. He did eat the whole thing.
Mm-hmm. Still got a few more. They're good.
I bet. I'm about to eat some right now.
Oh, you're next. Do you guys make homemade fries? If you got far into this video, let me know. And if you do, how do you make them? And if you leave me a recipe, I'll do it. And I'll even put it on video, guys.
You mean leave me a recipe?
Leave me a recipe.
Because you won't be making it. You'll
Oh.
be eating it.
Well, leave Sheila
a recipe.
a recipe
On the comments below.
in the comments below so she can make it for me. Or if you guys have a recipe to something that you want to see me eat, put the recipe below. And if we can get that, make it. Well, of course we can make it. Sheila can make anything, I think. Then I'll share it. I'll put it on my videos. How's that? There's nothing spicy, okay? Something
No
kind of
spicy
mild.
noodles.
No spicy noodle challenge.
I'll do that spicy noodle challenge.
Sheila's gonna do a spicy noodle challenge, you guys, sometime next week, hopefully, or in a couple weeks.
We'll let them know.
We'll see. We'll let you guys know. But I'm full, you guys. I got 3 fries left. I'll just eat them. Right. Excuse me. Sorry about that. You guys, I tore it up. You guys seen how much I had. I'm so full. I didn't even have my drink with me. I was just like, nothing to drink. But you guys, thanks so much for being here with me. Joining me for dinner. My homemade fries and homemade chili dogs. Or did I say chili dogs? Chili dogs. Thanks a lot, you guys. Much love to you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.